My name is Pat.
I'm Deepa, and we're from Maple, Ontario. When we were looking at wood-fired pizza oven options, we saw some gas options, we saw some other options that were quite small, tabletop options.
We chose Ciao Bella Pizza Oven because we were looking for something really authentic, something wood oven pizza that would produce the best quality pizza. I went online and saw that the reviews were all really good reviews, and we decided that we were looking to purchase one.
I was really surprised with how easy it was to use the Ciao Bella Pizza Oven.
We would recommend Ciao Bella Pizza Oven because our experience to date has been really good. The pizza has been amazing.